yourself a broken heart, guess I was chosen. Stitch it back together, better late than never, steady motion. Can't control my fate, but I control all these emotions. I'm not broken, I'm not broken. Already cried my tears enough for an ocean. I've been in the cold rain on my parade. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game. Gravity can take his arms around my legs and try to pull me. I'll still levitate. The greatest gift I got is being is holy. One thing I learned, pain hurts but don't control me. I'm not broken.
Okay.
I'm not broken.
Welcome everyone. Think it's good now, right?
Already cried my tears enough for an ocean. I've been in the cold rain on my parade. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game.
So this was actually a good zone, I would have said sell, but just because before I could come live, it has already started selling. Well, yes, I did sell there. Okay, I made a sell entry right there at I think 5518 right here, and it's currently falling down. So we are gonna be waiting for this buy zone. Okay, today is gonna be buy zone. So also aside that, okay, so let's see forex factor here. I did say I'm gonna come live today. Okay, I'm gonna come live today and trade NFP. So today is just to wait for this morning is just to wait for this buy zone. Okay, so and we also have liquidity here, and most of the time once it's NFP, once it's news, very volatile news, it always goes to take out liquidity. Where there is more liquidity, that's where gold always wants to go. So you can see there is one here, there is two here, another one here. That's like 3 sideline liquidity like this. We're gonna put it like this. It's gonna be something like this, and some will call it sell side liquidity, some will call it another thing. But well, it's a liquidity. Liquidity is liquidity. Anything you call it, it's still liquidity. Okay, so those are the 2 liquidities that gold could sweep during NFP today. It's not as if I'm saying Hey, where is my TikTok? It's not as if I'm saying during NFP, go to sell, go would buy, go would do that. Nope, I'm not giving it. But according to the data we have, let me see, Forex Factory, right? So this is Forex Factory right here. This is Forex Factory. Let me see what everyone is saying. Yeah, we can see the news, right? Let me see. So aside you not seeing it, I think from this side, this is unemployment, non-farm employment change, hourly earnings, core retail sales. All these news from here to here are very high impact news, which will be coming in 2:30. Okay, but what we can see here, what I want you to see is this. You can see the forecast here. From here, you can see the forecast for this one. All of them are coming way below, which supports, which weakens USD, right? So if the non-farm employment change, they are expecting employment to drop drastically. Okay, still on Forest Factory. So today is NFP, right? So you can see from the forecast we are seeing 58k. The previous was 120, 130k. So meaning non-farm employment, they're expecting employment to drop drastically. So if employment drops drastically, that also weakens USD because USD will be weak because there is no employment, so it's dropping. So we will be expecting USD to be weak for this news. That's if it comes out below this forecast, even if it's 50k to 130k is a red news. So we're expecting to see gold dropping. Sorry, we're expecting to see USD weakens. And if USD is weak, you expect gold to buy. Okay, so that's how it does. And then these ones, all these news are gonna come out negative. You can see 0.000 going below, red, all are against USD. All the news today are against USD. So if all these news today are gonna be against USD, that means USD is gonna be weak, and if USD is gonna be weak, gold is gonna be bullish. So that's NFP for you today. Okay, so according to this data, according to this data, according to this data I'm seeing, NFP gold might buy according to this data, but according to the chart again, what I'm seeing is I'm seeing liquidity. Okay, gold might first sell, maybe before even the time. Gold will just start selling, take out this liquidity, then before it buys. It's calling me.
holy month of Ramadan is here again, a month to submit to the will of Allah, a month to share, a month to care, and most importantly, a month of goodness. Start well and end well with the goodness of peak milk at Sahar and Iftar, and share the nourishing goodness of peak milk with everyone around you. Ramadan Kareem.
Peak. Reach for your peak.
Where are we, guys? You don't, but I don't trade gold. What are we buying today, bro? It's literally gold, right? We're buying gold today, but not at the zone yet. So we're waiting for it at that zone. So if selling from here to here, it's gonna give you 200 plus pips. Okay, so that's that.
Can you hear me calling out your name? Let me run to you and escape this place. Stop time, rewind, bring me back to you.
Today is gonna be a patient day, guys. We're gonna be patient today. Very, very patient. Today is gonna be a patient day, guys. So, well, I said why gold was selling was because of this resistance. Here we have liquidity, here we have this. So let's see if it's gonna sell all the way down to our buy zone. Okay. Yes, I did say I took a sell here just before I come on live. I took a sell there, and I'm waiting for my buy zone. You can see that's the sell right there. Took that sell, which is currently running 200 pips actually. So waiting for it in my buy zone. I have my buy limit set already here. So if anything for anything, this should be the zone that gold should react into. Rightly on 50.80. So setting buy limit on 50.80. My stop loss will just be here, 50.65. Okay. So 86 also is an early entry, but it's still in the zone. So I'm gonna take that and we see what will happen. Welcome everyone. Good. So as for those that got that sell, like me, it's currently falling 200 plus pips, almost 300 plus pips from this resistance here. So let's wait for this buy zone. Buy limit here 50.86, another one 50.80, and one just below 75. Maximum stop loss just here. We will be the liquidity or we will be the profit making. So almost at zone. How are we doing, guys? How are we doing? Are we waiting patiently or we are looking? So let me check. Let me see the chart. Well, just like I said, I'm seeing a support here that good might just want to react to buy back. That's why I closed my sale immediately because of the support. So probably. Why are you still here? What's happening? Okay. But so yep, this was the support I was looking at. I said there is a support here that gold might react. But still on that, we're still gonna be waiting for the buy zone. Okay. There is nothing to rush about. So okay, so as we are waiting for the buy zone and whatever good wants to keep doing, let me go back to my explanation on today's data. I said today is NFP, right? We said today is NFP. Good, respecting that support. Expecting to be. Said today is NFP. So going to Forex Factory, this is the news we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high impact news. Wow. Today is gonna be bloody, bro. If you don't get the market right today and you fall into the wrong move, you're dead. Today is gonna be bloody. Okay. Today is gonna be bloody. Damn. So analyzing the news, analyzing the data, I think the most important one here we have is this non-farm employment change, right? So we have this non-farm employment change, and we can see the forecast. They are forecasting it to be less than the previous, so 58k employment change to 130k jobs that were created. So if 58k jobs will be created and 138k jobs were created last month, then it's less. So low employment, bearish for USD. USD will be weakened. So if USD is weak, what will you expect? You should expect gold to pump. Okay, gold is gonna pump, like gold is gonna buy once USD is weak. And then the next one here, I think this our average hourly earnings. I think this is inflation, right? This should be inflation also. Yeah, hourly earnings now. So earnings per hour, that's for workers for this employment, is going to be less. So if it's gonna be less, still again, this is weakening USD. This is the second data that is weakening USD. Okay, that is expected to weaken USD. The first one is this USD weak. This one is lower than forecasted previous USD weeks again. I think the other one that we can observe here is the retail sales. You can see negative. Is it negative? Negative 0.3% to 0.00%. So that's another negative. Still bearish for USD again. Damn. So 3 high impact news here are all coming out negative and not supporting USD, not making USD strong, making USD weak. So if USD is gonna be weak, you should expect gold to be bullish. If USD is gonna be strong, you should expect gold to be bearish. So according to this data, if this data, yes, comes out the way it is forecasted exactly or even below it, then expect gold to buy during the NFP today. That's expected according to this data. But then if all this forecasted, the news comes out above them or even above previous, then you should expect gold to crash massively. But then forget about fundamental. Fundamental is right, it's good. You need to know fundamental. On the chart again, yes, I'm putting buy zone, but again, once it is high impact news, you always expect gold to come back down, sweep out liquidity before going the right direction. That's why you first move of spike, then later you see gold reversing, or it will still go up or down, then comes back again to a support that it broke and then keep going. So according to this data, I'm seeing liquidity here, liquidity. So if gold might come down to sweep all this liquidity before the NFP today, then you should expect gold to buy. But nevertheless, still my buy zone is still active. So according to that data, we are expecting gold to buy during NFP. So what else? My buy zone is still valid. So let's see if we're gonna get to the buy zone, or gold will just stop here, because this is another support here. You can see support, with the resistance, sell now becomes support because it has broken. So gold has respected that support and is buying. I was expecting it to go at least a little bit lower to this buy zone, but no, it did not. It respected this support here and it's now buying. So we are still gonna be waiting for the buy zone. Actually, not gonna change our mind.
The wolf she cries at night, a breath had born in the black wind where the shadows lie, deep inside despair. Our hearts grow fierce, our minds aware. We carry on. We carry on, carry
Uh, how many hours a day you stream for? It's like you mostly. It's like you mostly involved with London session. What's your take profit? Blah blah blah. Yeah, I think I mostly involved in London session. I think that's the best time for me to come live, because that's the best time I can sit on the charts and just stay very long. And then how many hours a day? I think the maximum is 1 hour. Okay, minimum 1 hour. Should I say? Sometimes I do go live and it will just cut. But I know, yes, at least 1 hour a day I do go live. Check my live history in my channel. You see 1 hour, maybe mistakenly 30 minutes, 15 minutes or so, but at average is 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour a day coming live on both YouTube and TikTok. Trading live. Okay. So that is it. So are you supporting this live? Are you supportive? Don't forget to tap your screens, like, share, and comment. Okay, as you're liking, others will also be joining. So it's as if your like is assisting others to join this opportunity and take a trade to make profits. Okay, because I can assure you that my setups are, I do give good setups, very good one. I think out of 10, at most, at minimum, out of 10 setup I drop in my community, at minimum 6-7 must go well, must give you at least 300 pips from gold. Okay, so what's the reason for the support level buy zone? I literally did not use even support level buy zone. Okay, I did not use support or whatever to get this buy zone. I used another thing. But what is making good to now buy here exactly is this support level here. Okay, you can see this was a resistance before. The resistance, top, sell, came back again, tap, sold, and then this big candle and went all the way to break it. But then again, for me, you can see when trading now becomes very interesting. For me, right here, I'm seeing support that good respect. Another person, another trader will come and tell you he saw a huge fair value gap here. Okay, and since it's a fair value gap, he decided to buy in the fair value gap. That's what another trader will tell you. Another trader again will come and tell you he did not see support here. He saw gold coming back to tap into the other block that was inside here. It will tell you invisible other block or whatever inside here, and that's why gold reacted here and started buying. That's another different trader. Another one will tell you different kinds of ideas on this forex industry. Okay, but what I can only tell you is to use the one that works for you. Okay, if it's the fair value gap that works for you and you feel you take it, you make profit for it, use it. Don't look at someone. Don't be a strategy prostitute. Any strategy you see, you just pick. You want to learn everything and you want to trade every strategy, you kill yourself. Okay, that's the root to your losses. Just pick one strategy and master. That's all. Master it and know how it works. That's all. If it's the fair value gap, pick it, master it, know how it works, use it and trade. If it's the support and resistance, pick it, master it, know how it works, use it and trade. Then if is supply and demand, pick it, master it, learn it, journal, use it and make use of it and learn how to trade. Master it, okay? So, bro, how much gold, bro, how much down gold can go these days? I am not the market maker. The only thing I can do is to analyze gold, mark out zones I feel are good for me to take buy or sell, and give it to the community, give it to everyone to trade. I also trade them. So it's based on analysis that we get our entries. So how is this English? Market is not predictive, it's reactive. Okay, so you can't just come into the chat and say, "Hey, gold start." You just saw that gold is for selling, and then yes, gold is continue selling. You can't just you must first see structure, market structure, and the rest. See what's happening in the markets, fundamental news, the edge of political tension, there whatever banks trading, all those things you need to consider them before knowing what will happen. So for gold falling to anywhere, I don't know where it's gonna go to. What I can only see is this price one. And also we have NFP today, so expect the unexpectable today. Expect some volatility, some market crashes, some market pumping. Expect anyone today. It's gonna be a fast market because, bro, today's news is deadly. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high impact news. 5. All of them are red, volatile. So just expect crazy market movement today. Okay. Where from we can open legendary long on gold for mid-term to long term. Answer that. App name, bro. App name. Are you interested in the app name or interested to mark out the zone and go and trade it in whatever app you use? The app I use won't help you either, but it's TradingView, by the way. We all know this. If you know TradingView, you will know when you see it. When you see TradingView, you will know it's TradingView. Nobody needs to tell you this is TradingView, bro. When you see it, if you're a trader, mere looking at the chart, you will know that yes, this is a TradingView chart. You don't need someone to tell you if you're truly a trader. Okay, so what is the block between 120 and 125? Sell zone. Oh yeah. Okay, this block, that was where when I started this live, that was where I marked there's a resistance, so I sold there, and immediately gold reached here, this supports, I closed the sell. If you reverse the live, you hear when I said gold is at a support zone, let me close my sell. That's what I did. So I closed that sell. Let me see, I closed the sell there. So that's a resistance that gold can respect to sell back or break it and continue going up. So it's a resistance. You can see resistance, respected that resistance, sell. So probably gold will tap into the zone again to continue selling back to our buy zone. Okay. So let me see a question again. You trade with price action. Why? I don't even know what is price action. But I do hear it, but I don't know what is price action. Hypothetically. What's price action? I don't know. Are you going to trade NFP today, or is it too much of a risk for you? Bro, usually news is very high risks, okay? News in particular is very high risks. It's just like you're gambling. Well, I know that I do give setups before news, and gold will just do its whatever and go and tap into my zone and continue moving, or go tap. I think in the previous NFPs I've given zones and gold just came flying all the way to that zone, tapped it and continue going where you want to go. sniper entries. So if it's NFP, earlier when I started the live, I analyzed what I'm expecting for NFP today. Analyze what I'm expecting for NFP today. So, and I said, according to this data that we are seeing here, all of them are expected to be red. They are forecasted to be red. When the data is released, actual, you see it red, 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 red. So if all of them are gonna come out red, 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 which is below the previous, bro, USD is gonna be weak. And if the USD is weak, gold is gonna buy. So instead of you risking before, like maybe 2 minutes before the time, wait for this data to be released, and then mark out the support or resistance zone, and then follow the trade according to this data. Okay, and there are some that will give you prediction even before the data is released. They'll tell you buy gold for NFP, sell gold for NFP, bro. That's more like gambling. So, but me, according to this data, I'm seeing gold might buy during NFP. But then, according to the chart, I'm seeing this is my buy zone. There is still liquidity below, and if it's news, gold usually tends to go and attack liquidities before heading to the right direction. So if we have liquidity to the downside, so probably according to this chart, gold might just sell, take out all this liquidity, then reverse back and start buying. Okay, so it's just two-way there. But if it's the data, sometimes gold follows the data. So if it's the data, gold is gonna buy during NFP. If it's the chart, it might sell before starting to buy. So instead of taking that risk and gambling, I best wait for the data to be released and then find any support or resistance or supply or demand zone and follow the trend. No need to go against it. So do you trade often live? Because I can see how you read the market and you are dangerous. Simply but potent. Yeah, I go live on YouTube and TikTok every day. Same name, same username, same everything. If you search Hurricane FX on TikTok, you will still see me. I'm currently live right now on TikTok, the same time with YouTube. So, and it's the same thing I'm saying here, the same thing you're seeing here, you're gonna be seeing the same thing on TikTok too. So just in case you feel lazy, YouTube is too stressful for you, too much ads, too much whatever, go to TikTok, you're gonna still see me there. The same thing. So I go live every day, and the minimum timing for my live is 1 hour a day. 1 hour a day. Someone is saying full margin. Bro, full margin on news, that's on you. You can, sometimes I do have accounts for news. If I truly want to gamble, I'll just deposit like a few dollars, maybe 100, 200, maximum 500. Just if I just want to gamble, I just follow. So if I want to gamble today, and trade NFP, I'll just buy, because this data is expected to come low. Non-employment change, they're expecting employment to drop drastically, so weakens USD. Hourly rates earnings, they're expected to drop it again per hour, weakens USD. Retail sales is expected to go lower, weakens USD. So I'll just risk it and click boom, buy now, NFP, and just click that buy and risk it, because yes, it's according to my risks and I can afford to lose that amount, so I'll just decide to risk it like that. So not for everyone though. There are some people that can't risk such amounts. So if you're gonna trade NFP, I can only tell you, only risk what you can afford to lose, because you're totally gambling. Today for NFP buy, yeah, according to the data is buy, but according to the chart I'm seeing liquidity, so it might just sell before buying, or it might even continue selling. So it's just pure gambling. Nobody actually knows what will happen in the market. Market is just reactive, and according to what is happening with the war and ongoing, so you should know that if war is going like that, data is gonna be coming less, and just expect NFP to go to push up. So probably all those sell that it has been doing on Monday, Wednesday, it will just use today and collect all those sell it has been doing and start buying. So NFP, NFP, NFP. True, you are right. Okay, so let me see. Awesome. We would love to be part of Hurricane FS. Can see a great future for you. All the best for the trading and make Zao your bitch. Zao is always our bitch, but I wouldn't say bitch. I would say chef. I always cook it. Okay, Zao is always our chef. Why am I calling it Zao? It's XAUSD, so it's XAU Zao. If you want to pronounce Zao, xylophone, it's Zao, so I can call it anyhow. As long as you know what I'm saying, Zao USD. And you know it's good. XAUUSD, you know it's still good, so why am I calling it Zao? It's Zao. Zao USD. Boom. I love your trades, Christina. Thank you. Thank you for liking. Thank you for joining. Thank you for sharing. We're gonna make this profit together, okay? That's the goal. So even in winning days, even in losing days, we always show up. Okay. So don't forget to tap your screens, like, share, comment, and is it 1 hour already? TikTok, why? Okay. TikTok, have you connected back? Is there no sound on TikTok? They sound on TikTok, but it's kind of low. Okay, I was looking for the background sound now behind me. I like shaking head once I'm on live. At least it keeps me going. I like shaking head. So ask me anything. Sorry. So ask me anything you wanna ask, and I'm gonna answer you. Trading related question, please. I avoid questions like how old are you, where are you from. All those questions doesn't matter. It won't help you. Where I'm from will not help you in your trading life. So ask me questions that are trading related, and that will help you. Yeah. What time frame? This question of what time frame again is. I need to fix that thing. Maybe. I think it's working. Ah. Oh, Romania. No, I wasn't. Romania. No, I wasn't asking Christina where you are from. I wasn't asking you where you're from, actually. Okay, I was saying, ask me anything, ask me any question, but avoid. I said, ask me anything, ask me any question, trading related question, but avoid questions like, where are you from? How old are you? I said, it won't help you because me telling you where I'm from will not help you at all. Okay, so I'm seeing question like, what time frame? Okay, let me see. What time frame and you get your buy zone from? This is what time frame? 15 minutes time frame actually. 15 minutes time frame. Actually. What is your strategy? Can you exclaim? What? Can you? Is it explain or is? Okay. Can you explain some things? My strategy is a self-taught strategy. I learned my strategy on my own while staying on the chat for hours. So it's just self-taught. So I only. Oh man, who are those calling me, bro? I'm on live. Stop calling me.
I've seen relics of kingdoms past and crowns of ancient kings. I've heard stories of distant lands, realms I long to reach. Your voice, it beckons me to go to worlds unexplored, to leave behind my home and wander.
Okay, where are we at? What did I miss? I have a sale around 5107. Should I keep it? Probably, because why should you keep it? Yes, because there was a resistance. So now gold is not trying to respect resistance, and keep going. You see resistance here, respected, sell, came back, another support become resistance, respected, sell, came back, another resistance, sell, came back again. This is another resistance. You can't see it, but I can see it. Came back, tested, and now selling. So you can hold it, but right now, if you did sell at 5107, you're in profit. So break even and then wait for my buy zone. If you don't want to wait, it's fine. So please, time of NFP news according to your time though. So you just need to type in forexfactory.com and then you see the data. You can see what I'm seeing. I'm seeing them here. According to my own time, it's 2:30 p.m. So you might type it in your own time and you might see another different time. So everybody according to his time. You might be in a different country. You might be in Dubai. Maybe, I think Dubai is 5:30. You might be in UK. Some parts of UK are hour behind us, or some are even hour ahead. So you might be in South Africa again. Some parts are hour behind, or I don't know. The time might be different. So just check forexfactory.com and you'll see your time based according to your time. Okay, according to your timing. So what did I miss? What did I miss? I think I didn't miss anything. Okay, I've been scammed. Someone using my broker. What? I've been scammed. Someone using my broker. I don't understand that English, or literally not here. So it's approaching our zone, almost in the zone, almost in the zone. Can we enter? If you are asking that question, then that means you're not in my channel. Actually, you're just joining for the first time. What I always teach is patience. I always teach patience, bro. You need to be patient. Wait for gold to come to you. Even if after waiting for hours, minutes, and it comes to you and still fails you, you learn from it. So it's better for you to be patient than rushing. What you're trying to do now is fear of losing out. FOMO, that's what it's called. FOMO. So you can see where gold is. Gold has been respecting resistance. This is another resistance here. That it will just come back up a little bit, respect, and it might start selling again from here. I think 5100. It might just start selling from here to the buy zone. So let's see why I'm saying this buy zone is just here. We still have liquidity below. Liquidity. So we might just be the liquidity today. Okay, so anything for good, anything can happen.
Standing, staying still, never said what I feel, and every time I took the blame, carried all this quiet shame, 'cause all the pressure in my chest, I've gotta fight to catch my breath, when every step still feels the same, trying not to break. Where do I go from here? Maybe I'll disappear. If I don't try, I'll never know. I'm waiting on you. Where do I go from here?
Your buy zone. What's this? Your buy zone is not not really 58. Let me see. What am I seeing here? Remove the price labels. Not really 58. It's 86 and then also at 80. So your buy zone is 50, 88. Let's say you enter with how many pips would you be happy with? Bro, is that a question? So if I see 100 pips, I will not be happy. If I see 200 pips, I will not be happy. I will be sad. What are you saying? Minimum 100 pips. That's it. That's the only time you can be happy if you're trading good. If you see 10 pips, 20 pips, you are just a scalper. Even 100 pips is still scalping. But as good is very fast now. 100 pips of last year December is now 10 pips on gold. So it's just so easy for gold to make that. So if you see 100 pips in gold in this type of market, you should be happy. You should even jump, go and kill gold. Go and kill gold. Bro, just avoid this question. 230 which country? Just avoid the question. Some people are just too lazy to get information on their own. They are just too lazy. I just explained how to get the news according to your time. I said type in this, you see it according to your time, and mark it to the time and wait for it. But still, someone is still asking which country, what time. You're just too lazy to get information for yourself, which is bad. If you have that kind of attitude, you'll be a bad trader. As a trader, you need to be open to information, open to learning, open to every possible aspect. Anything you see, you hear, you say, not anything actually, but anything good you see, hear, information, you pick it and learn. Open to research, find out things for yourself. You don't need anybody to come and sit you down and tell you to do that and do this. Okay, you need to learn on your own. So okay, for gold now, I think gold has been, you can see gold has been respecting resistance, support. This is another resistance here, but it doesn't want to respect it, but it might and start selling off from here down. Okay, so it's just respecting resistance. It's currently downtrend right now, so this is another proof. Again, once market is downtrend like this during NFP, it will just keep creeping down, and then during the news comes to just clear it, to use this whole move as liquidity and just shoot up. Okay, that's how it always do, to use all this slowly creeping down and just shoot up. Pew. What's going on with BTC? I'm not trading BTC today. Okay, so anything going on with BTC, it's none of me. It's not on me. I'm not looking at BTC today. BTC did me dirty yesterday. What is your name? These are the kind of weird, and I know the kind of people that are asking all these kind of weird questions. How old are you? What's your country? Where are you from? Imagine, what is your name? I know the country of type of people that are asking this, and if I say it, it will be as if I'm discriminating. I hate the country. I know the kind of country of people that are asking this kind of things, and it's always like that. I don't know why. It's always like that. I know them. They know their self. You can see Lek Raja. By their name, you shall know. You don't need to tell me. I know. I'm living in India. It's already there. It's you guys like asking weird questions. It's already there. I. Who? That's sorry for the question. Do you trade news? Please. By what time is NFP? Again, the same thing. So. Ooh, your network is bad. It's not loading for you to see it very well. You see what I'm saying? If you are currently following me, you see what I'm saying. Just as I was just saying, I said you can see gold is just respecting resistance, and it keeps selling. It comes back to respect this and sold. And funny enough, I won't tell you, but just as I was telling it, I took a sell. You can see it's in profit. Real. I took a sell there. Look at it. You can see it's in profit. Okay. Just as I was telling you, if gold reaches there, it usually respects. See, took a sell right exactly on that point, and can see it's on almost almost 100 pips running currently, almost 100 pips. So it's just once you understand gold and everything it does, it will just be easy for you. You're not gonna stress yourself. So that's me currently selling to my buy zone. Let's see if it's gonna respect the buy zone. Okay, let's see. What's the question? I trade in BTC and gold. Yeah, that's good. Trading View. What app is this? It's Trading View. Good morning. Sorry to ask. The buy zone is it 5086. My network is bad and it's not loading well for me to see the figures. Yes, I think so. It is. The buy zone is 5086. Another entry is gonna be on 5080. But then, if the stop loss is gonna be too much, the maximum stop loss is gonna be here 5065. But then my first stop loss is gonna be on 5075, and that's it. So this is a liquidity. So if it's all gonna cross all the way down here, then we are gonna be the liquidity. Okay, so your stop loss is liquidity. So if market hits your stop loss, it means you are the liquidity. So you have become the liquidity, and another place somewhere someone is making profit from that. So it's just a blockchain. This forex trading is here to stay. It's just a blockchain. You need to be in the algorithm, in the right blockchain. Again, what is your country, bro? All those irrelevant questions cannot be answered by me forever and ever, permanently. Okay, it can never be answered by me ever, permanently. I only say ask trading related questions. Simple. Is it that hard? Ooh, I'm even live more than 1 hour, unlike me, and I'm just keep moving as if it's not in 1 hour. Why are some people answering? I'm just reading comments. Okay, I'm currently live on YouTube and TikTok, so I'm just mixing. Sorry, I say mixing, and I'm mixing the comments. So if I see comments on YouTube, I'm just gonna read it and answer it. If I see on TikTok, I'm gonna read it. I see 5086 SL, please. That's my entry. So how can that be an SL? Then do you trade news? Not really, but I've already given my analysis for NFP for what I think is gonna happen during NFP. So guys, good is just trying to not reach my zone. It's just trying to play with my mind, going up and down. We are still gonna be patient. Almost there, bro. Almost there. Almost there. Still gonna wait for it. CPU 2%. Upload free drop repressing. That's nice. Like, you speak Hindi. Do I? What is SL? I speak Italian, I speak Spanish, I speak English, and I speak a little bit of Hindi. Learned them online actually, so if it's what you want to hear, because I think those questions are going out of hand. Where will be our CP if we take the buy by 5086? Where is gonna be your CP? CP first is gonna be above here, 5122. CP next is just gonna be anywhere above here, so it's just minimum 100 pips and 1000 pips. For me, minimum 1000 pips. For you, minimum 100 pips. So just like that. But then you can, for me, I always have room to take more entries because of my account size. I can take as much as 5 entries, 0.2 lot size, which is in total 1 standard lot size for my account size. So if I have 5 open entries on gold, I can take profits at any given point. I can take profits at 100 pips. I just close one, I'll be left with 4. If I reach at 500 pips, I close one, I'll be left with 3. Wait to 1000 pips, I close one, I'll be left with 2. So that's how I do it. It's just so easy. I don't know if I can still go live on Instagram. Can I? Can I go live on Instagram too? I think I'll try that. I think only TikTok and YouTube is it enough? Should I try also Instagram too? Yeah. Should I try also Instagram? I'm in shorts on Xauusd, by the way. Yeah, nice. I caught out the shots plenty of times. Good got there and shorted and sold, so I called it out plenty times. So if you're in that short, it's nice. I think I'll try to find out if I can still go live on Instagram. Please smile. I'm not angry, bro. Not angry. I'm always smiling. Am I not smiling? I'm smiling. Just smile, say cheese. Okay. Welcome everyone. Can I spell the welcome everyone very well? Yes. Welcome everyone. Yup, it's been long. I sent a message. Just type. That's it. All at the same time. Kokoni boy S111. But the reason why I'm still on this live is just because gold is close to the zone, because I'm already way beyond my time limits. This is like 1 hour 21 minutes already on live. Unusual for me, bro. I do go live maximum 1 hour. This is unusual for me, so I'm way beyond my time. Way beyond my time. Unusual. Moldy. What? What was this? How many profits in trading? Whew. Hey, I mean shits now. What's this here? Oh. Please, what time is this? What time is this? Is it what time frame is this, or is it what time is this? If it's time frame, if it is 15 minutes time frame. If it's what time is this? In my time is 10:33 a.m. So you can see it's below here. It's not going anywhere. It's below there. Look at it here. Reading. Can you see it reading? 10:33 50 seconds UTC plus 1, and then 15 minutes time frame. Check here, you see 15. Xauusd 15. If it's 1 hour, you're gonna see 1. If it's 15 minutes, you're gonna see 15, and it's on in all the time frames. 15 minutes is the only minutes that it's there. So, do you ever feel like the markets makers watch your lives? I don't think so. There are no market makers actually. Are there? There are no market makers. Market just reacts to probably fundamentals, what's happening in the world, and people that are putting money inside of the market. It's just money moving. So although market makers are those people that have large funds that can move markets. If they enter a buy like this with their thousands of lot size, they call them smart money traders, right? I think that's the name they call them. You enter like this, you just see markets start falling down as if something is wrong. So do you think markets move or what? I'm not yet popular yet. Okay, I'm still growing my channels. Okay, I've been doing this for, is it almost a year now, or is it 1 year? So I think it's 1 year. This channel has done 1 year anniversary, so I've been doing this 1 year consistently. So I'm still growing, and I'm growing to be the number one. There are plenty people still doing live trading. If you check YouTube live, you'll see plenty people trading. But yes, I want to be different. I want to be the number one. Okay, and not just only number one, I want to give the best setup and make sure everyone makes profit from them, all for free on live. The only thing I do in my special community that is different is just to tell them where to enter, give them the figures, and then drop the screenshots of the charts for them, and that, and also calling out sales on here because sales on here because gold respected resistance here. That's the only thing I do for them. Okay, so right now I'm gonna drop the screenshot of the buy zone in the channel. Gold setup, and I'm gonna say gold setup, and the channel dropped. Yep, gold is in the zone. Wow, I didn't even see that. What a top. What a top, bro. I wasn't even seeing that. Okay, let's wait a little bit more gold. Did I not set a buy limit? I didn't. Am I crazy, bro? Okay, I did. Let me add more buy limits. Gold is in the buy zone, guys. It's in the buy zone. So can we buy now? It's in the buy zone. So but I wanted to tap exactly my entry 06 because I still have another buy limit on 80. But I wanted to tap there. But it's in the buy zone. I wasn't even looking when it entered, but it triggered my buy limits. Okay, I wasn't even looking, but it triggered my buy limits on 87. Okay, although it did not tap this 86, but it triggered my buy limit on 87. So I was trying to send a chart before it reacted into the zone, but let's see what will happen if it's gonna leave us from the zone or it's gonna react into the zone again so that we can see an entry. But let's see. What time frame are you on? Woo! You can see what I'm saying. I just set buy limits here and it came and tapped me on that buy limit 87 precisely. Yes, tapped in, then 86, and I still had another one on 80, and my stop loss was on 75. As I said earlier, my first stop loss is gonna be first 75, then this liquidity, I will serve as this liquidity for my final stop loss. So it tapped into the zone. Let's see what will happen with gold actually. Follow me, follow you. Why will I follow you, bro? You're in my life and you're meant to follow me. I'm not meant to follow you because you are in my life. If I join your life and I see it's good, it's interesting, I follow. That's how it's done. What's your buy limit? What's your TP, bro? What's your SL? What's your TP? What's your SL? What's your TP? Constant questions. SL, TP, SL, TP. I just said it. Okay. Inactivity. Unlike me, I stayed on live for almost 2 hours. Bro, unlike me, the maximum time is gonna be 2 hours. I just need to wait. If gold is gonna give from this entry, if it's gonna go all the way up and give 100, 200 pips from this tapping here, then I'll just end the live because yes, I'll be happy. It respected my zone, gave 100 pips. It gave 100 pips, so I'll be happy. So I did say, this is a big screen. I will be buying gold at 50, 86, 50, 80. Stop losses 50, 75, 50, 65. Good. 86 enter. It did not reach 86 actually, but the best thing and the happiest thing I have is it tapped into my buy zone, which is why I'm happy right now. So I just took a screenshot and I was about to drop it in my channel. Okay, I was about to drop it in my channel and tell them gold setup for today, and before I could see, gold has reversed and tapped the buy limit. So Why am I happy? Because I have an entry on, where is it? On 88. Actually, I didn't even get it on 87. I had an entry on 88, and so gold reached 87 exactly. These are my buy limits that I set. You can see I set buy limit on 87, I set on 88. If you can see very well, you're gonna see that gold tapped one of it. So gold tapped one of the one on 88 and kept going. I had buy limits on 88, 87. It's just because of my account size, okay? That's why I could have up to like 5 buy limits set on the zone. But yes, I loved the zone. So good reacting in the zone is a very joyous moment for me. Okay. YouTube buy zone. Go react in YouTube buy zone. Let me drop into the channel. Gold in the zone. Gold in the zone. Bam bam. That's 100 pips from the zone actually. So you can see how good my zone is. Look at sniper. Look at the sniper tapping. Although I wanted it on 86, but it tapped into the zone and left me. I had one entry only. Just one entry, which I'm not happy about. But one entry to 100 pips is something. So I need to be happy about that. I know some people are here that even entered even earlier. I still entered on another account on 91, and it's, you can see on another account on 91, and it's currently running 60 plus pips right now. Entered on another account 91. It's currently running 50 plus pips. So the targets for this buy is gonna be, first take profit is gonna be on 23. If it goes well, first take profit is gonna be on 23, and others is just gonna be left to ride. Okay. Ooh, brother. Ooh. First take profit is gonna be on 23 from the buy zone, bros. Let's see. Live buy zone. Sure. Live zone expected. Live zone tapped. Senior man. What time frame are you on, please? Well, if we're gonna wait till it taps on 86, yes, we are gonna wait. Let's see if it's gonna come back, because this is still bearish engulfing. So let's just wait and see if it's gonna come back. I'm not gonna tell you to buy here. Don't do that. That's FOMO. That's fear of losing out. So I got only single entry on 88. Okay, that's the only lock I got there on 88. So I'm not gonna tell you to make entry here. It's best you wait for it to come back, tap into 86. This is a liquidity here, so expect gold to sweep. It might even sweep and even go all the way down to 80 self before even wanting to buy. So let's just see. Time wasting. No, I'm not wasting time. Enter good buy at 55 with my TP target for 51, 65 and 91 from at 55. Okay, that's according to you. everybody with what he sees in the markets. Okay, you see your buy there, I see my buy here. If it depends, market is no respect of anyone.
When I'm scared, I send a flare and you're here in a flash. When I ask, oh dear love, where did we come from? You say that like the sun. I had the will and mission, but the wrong position. I was open, praying for a sign, until I found a lighthouse in your heart. Shining like a beacon.
Yep, it's back into the zone. So you see what patience face. Set your buy limits there and wait for it.
Guiding me out the dark. You guided me out the dark. I trace the cracks on the floor tonight. Neon shadows dance in the broken light. A heart beats loud, but it's out of sync. Lost in the rhythm, I can't quite dream. The air is heavy, it pulls me in. Pull me in that twisted maze.
Ooh. Girl, bro, I'm tired. I'm tired. That's almost 2 hours here. I'm tired, bro. Tired of waiting for you. Maximum 2 hours and I'm gonna end you. Then I might come back 2:30, 2 o'clock. That's before NFP and see what the market gives during that time. But probably what I'll be happy for is if gold reacts here inside the zone and starts buying even before NFP, then I'll be risk free. Okay, taps into the zone, it has tapped twice already and start buying, giving like 200 300 pips before NFP. I'll be so happy and risk free. Okay, I'll not be panicking that news will kill me. I'll just be looking at people and laughing at people that are still trying to enter trade. Okay, because I'm already in a trade and I'm gonna be risk free. Where will be our SL? The first SL first SL is 75, second SL is 65. So for entry on 86, my SL is 75. If it comes all the way to 80, I make another entry, my SL is gonna be 65. So that's just it. This shit has not tapped in yet, bro. What are you still doing? 86, almost tap, bro. So almost there. Okay, it has tapped, so I'm in. I'm in. Okay, we are in the trade. Is in my zone, tapped, triggered my buy limits. So for this entry on 86, my stop loss is gonna be on 75. Okay, that's 100 pips. If it's gonna come all the way below to 80 here, I'll make an entry and my stop loss is gonna be on 65. So apparently we are gonna be either making profit from this or we're gonna be the liquidity. So setup is active. Let's see how it goes. Ooh. I need to translate. Someone said, "Good luck, bro." 2 hours in live waiting for this zone and it's already there and it doesn't want to give us profit. That's gonna be sad. Okay, are we seeing it? Are we good? Are we getting some profits? I can see 30 plus pips. Not enough. I need to see 100 plus pips before I can see protect or take partial or whatever. 30 pips is just scalping, so not enough. Would you prefer someone said, would you prefer 30 pips or stop loss? Bro, I'll prefer stop loss to 30 pips to taking profit on 30 pips. That's crazy. What am I risking to take profit on 30 pips? That's a bad risk to reward ratio. I rather prefer to take the loss and learn from it than take profit at 30 pips. It's bad. It's sad. 40 plus pips. Let's go. Nice push. Nice push. Let's go, boys. Are we in the trade? Let's go. 50 plus pips. Wow, that's some good push. Give us more push to 100 plus pips so that I can say we should take partial. Come on, gold. Are you in this trade? If you took this trade, just say W's in the charts. Yes, that's the English everybody uses now, right? W's in the chart. We're winning. Type in W in the charts. W. W's in the charts. I think people are not supporting me. You guys are not supportive at all. Setup is currently on 50 plus pips and you're not putting W's in the charts? Bro, come on. 60 plus pips. Let's go. I think I have a lot of scalpers in here. I think there are some people that will definitely close this trade on 60 plus pips. But I rather take loss than close on 60 plus pips actually. I need 100 plus pips. 100 plus pips. On 95, I'm gonna protect my entry and take partial. Okay. On 95 only. It's on 93. That's 80 plus pips right now. Woo, guys, that's some sniper entry right there, bro. So on 95, I'm gonna take partial and I'm gonna protect. Okay. Some nice entry there. Patience paid off well. By now, some have already protected. Let me protect my entry. Protect one. Okay. Think I'm tired. My eyes are paining me, bro. My eyes are paining me. My eyes are literally paining me. I've been in front of this light for too long. Too long. 2 hours? That's too much. 2 hours. That's 2 hours. My eyes are paining me, bro. 2 hours. Back into the zone again. This is crazy. It's not nice. Should we have protected? I think so. But I'm still in though. Don't care. You can do whatever you want. Said, give 80 pips. I know some people have closed already or even protected. But I'm still in a trade, okay? So I still have buy limit on 80. Okay, buy limit on 80, stop loss 75, stop loss 65. I might be the liquidity, I might be the profits. So anyone can go back into the entry again. That's not nice. DXY is rising. Did I not see that? What? My live has disconnected. What did I just see? Okay, it's still alive. Don't chase home runs. It is much better to take what market gives you. 80 pips in 2 to 3 minutes is really good. Compounding is the key, scalper. It's good. 80 pips is not bad. Yeah, some people have already taken profit on 80 pips, 90 pips. Yes, I took one, but I'm still holding some trades. So yeah, this is what I'm trying to do, is trusting my setup. Okay, if it goes against me, I learn from it and check what really happened. And if it goes well, let me open trading view. Let's open trading view right here. I need to see DXY. I haven't checked DXY. I don't even know what's happening to DXY, dollar index. I'm just trading good blindly. Actually, I don't even know what's happening to dollar index. Come on, open. When it loads, I'll come back there. What? 80 pips is not scalping, bro. What is 80 pips? Oh yeah, 80 pips is quite good profit. But what is the meaning of scalping? That's the question. What is the meaning of scalping? Scalping is literally opening a trade in 1-2 minutes and you close. That's scalping. How? Who is calling me? Okay. Okay, where are we, guys? What? Good has decided to fall. Aren't you buying my sell TP on 50/50? That's nice. That's simply because there's liquidity below here, so I might just be the liquidity. So stop loss is on 75. Okay, that's where I'm gonna be taking my loss for today. After 90 pips, break even, some entries, stop loss, boom. That's all for today, guys. Okay. Very bearish for now. Enter or no, you suck. Daily is about to take out its own low. What time zone are you trading? Don't enter, he sucks. Danny Caro. You need big rejection from this level now. MMS in low, blah blah blah. Do you know someone good? All of these people. All of these people. Well, I'm still gonna be on my entry on 86, entry on 80, stop loss 75, stop loss 65. That's what I'm gonna do today. Okay, not gonna change my plan. Okay, so I lose, takes me out. That's simply because I prepare for risk management and also trading what I can afford to lose. Hey, who is saying sorry, bro? There's nothing to be sorry about. The entry, the buy zone was very valid. It gave around 80 plus pips before coming to go all the way down and almost hitting my stop loss. First stop loss at 75, and then the next one is at 66, right? Yeah, 66. So I'm still in the trade. Well, I did say I'm tired. Who is this Caro? Put him on time. Yep, I'm not changing my plan. Buying 86, buying 80, stop loss 75, stop loss 65. Plan doesn't change. Okay. What mark the zone if you're scared of entering? Why mark the zone if you're scared of entering? Why will I be scared of entering my zone? Why? How will I mark a zone and be scared of entering it? Then I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Trading is for you to learn from it. If you hit stop loss, I can't say stop loss is imminent, but it's a must. Or it's left for you to learn from that stop loss. So my entry was on 86. I did say it on live. I'm gonna enter on 86. I'm gonna enter on 80. I'm gonna set first stop loss on 75, almost taking me out on stop loss, and then next stop loss on 65, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm still in my plan. I haven't stopped. I haven't changed plans. Okay, so why mark out zone if you're gonna be scared of entering the zone? Okay, what lot? 0.1. Everybody can trade lot size they want. Okay, can trade any lot size you want if your is according to your account size. Okay, my account size can take up to one standard lot size, so I divide it into 5, 0.2, 0.2. If your account is $100, it can't take standard lot size, it can take maximum 0.1, so you can divide it into 0.00, 0.01 into 5, make 5 entries. So gold is back into this 5086. So instead of me to depend now on 75 stop loss, this is what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna be closing 5086 entry right now. Okay, close, it's in profit. Then I'm gonna be holding 5080 only, because simply because I have more entries. So I'm gonna be holding 80 exactly right now, and we're gonna ride it up to wherever it wants to go. So if you are in my special community, I told them a simple thing. I'm gonna be buying on 86 and 80, stop loss 675 respectively, and 65. So now I'm risk free, so there's nothing to be scared of. Why will I draw a zone and be scared to enter? Okay, so bro, that's 2 hours. There is no need for me to stay in this live for up to 2 hours. Set gold is back into the zone, and exactly like I said, if you were in this live since early, I said you can expect gold to even fall all the way to 80. That's why I said that. So already I'm in profit, so I'm now protected because gold is crazy. We have 100 plus pips already right now, so I'm gonna protect my entry now and ride it to wherever it wants to go. So if you took advantage of this setup, congratulations to you. You are in profit of 100 plus pips right now, either from 86 or from wherever you took the trade. You're in profit. So for that reason, I am super excited because my zone and my entries, as I call them, went nice, and boom, this is from 76 here, 80, 90, that's 150 pips. You use tight stop loss like me. Yes, I'm gonna protect them right now. So congratulations to everyone, bro. That's 2 hours. I'm tired of this live. I'm gonna be ending it right here. So see you guys. Make sure you subscribe, follow, like, comment, and see you on live. I'll be on live before NFP. I think 2 p.m. That's like 3 hours from now, right? Yeah. So I'll be live before NFP and trade it. So see you guys.